Hi everyone, I am Dr. Sheenam Pasricha, certified endodontist and implantologist. Today I am here to share a problem with you to discuss about a problem called bruxism. What is bruxism? Bruxism is basically unnecessary clenching and biting of the teeth. So what happens in case of bruxism, that some people are day bruxers, some people are night bruxers. Basically it happens because of stress, malalignment of the teeth, malalignment of the jaw, improper jaw growth, and maybe due to some TMJ disorder. At Pasricha's Dental Life Care Clinic, we are here and skilled enough to treat all these problems related to bruxism. Kindly visit the clinic and take an appointment on the given below numbers. Thanks for now, Dr. Sheenam Pasricha.